When it comes to keto, your mindset is just as important as your macros. The right mental tools can make the difference between giving up when it gets hard and pushing through to your goals. Today, I'm going to share one powerful habit that can transform the way you think about your keto journey, and that is affirmation cards. Let's break down why they work, how to create them, and how to make them a daily success habit for you. Point number one, why affirmation cards work. Your thoughts shape your actions. If your inner dialogue is full of doubt, you're more likely to give in to temptation or skip a planned workout. Affirmation cards help rewire your brain with supportive, empowering thoughts, like programming your mind for success. Psychology research shows that repeating positive statements daily can reduce stress, increase confidence, and keep you focused on long-term goals. In keto, this means you're less likely to fall off track during cravings, stress, or social events. For example, an affirmation that I like for myself that I use daily is, I choose foods that give me energy and clarity. Point number two, how to create powerful affirmation cards. Start by writing 10 to 15 short positive, present tense statements that reflect your keto goals. Keep them specific and inspiring. Instead of saying, I will try to eat better, say, I nourish my body with every meal. Use index cards, sticky notes, or print them out. Add colors, symbols, or even pictures that motivate you. This makes them more engaging and personal. Place them where you'll see them: your fridge, your wallet, your desk, or even your phone lock screen. Point number three, making affirmations a daily habit. The real power of affirmation cards comes from daily use. Take 3 to 5 minutes every morning to read them out loud. As you say each affirmation, visualize yourself living it. Shopping for keto groceries, feeling energized after a workout, or enjoying your favorite keto meal. You can also carry one card with you each day as your focus affirmation. Pull it out when you're tempted or feeling unmotivated. Over time, you'll notice your self-talk shifting naturally toward positivity, making keto feel less like a struggle and more like a lifestyle you're excited to live. Remember, keto isn't just a diet, it's a mindset. Affirmation cards are a simple, low-cost, but incredibly effective tool to keep you motivated and consistent. Start with just one card today and see how your mindset shifts over the next week. If you have been using affirmations before, let me know about it. Or if you want to share your favorite keto affirmations, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And please, if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more great keto tips to enhance your journey. See you in the next video.